Hi, I'm Miss Morphine, and I'm going to show you how to use Kami. Now, what is Kami? Kami is an online tool you can use to edit PDFs and documents and send it to your teacher. This is a much faster way than writing it on paper, taking a picture of it, and emailing it to them. So let's do it. Well, the first thing you need to have is Google Chrome installed. Okay, your Chromebooks already have it, and make sure you're using Google Chrome. After, you're going to Google Kami, K-A-M-I, extension, and enter. Okay, so make sure it says Kami extension, PDF, and document annotation, and click. And then make sure you're using your Birmingham email so it's in sync with your classroom. And after, click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. I want you to notice a K popped up. That means Kami is installed. Awesome. All right, now you're going to go to your classroom and click on your teacher's assignment. Now this is a sometimes thing. Sometimes it says open with Kami, and sometimes it doesn't. When it does, you're gonna click it. When it doesn't, you're gonna click on the three dots and click on open in the window. And then you're going to click on open with, annotate with Kami. I'm just waiting for it to load. So you can draw on this using your finger. You can use a stylus. You can use a pen that has a stylus tip. Um, it's kind of like Draw It. I've seen a lot of you do the Draw It app on your phone. So this isn't too out of the ordinary, something too new. It does take practice. It took me a little bit of time, but it's pretty easy. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this table right here. So my teacher wants me to fill out the next number. I see it's going multiplying by 3, so I think the next number is 162. So I'm gonna write 162 right here. Now in order to write 162, I had to click on drawing right here, and I had to draw that. Now notice that it's not the best. That 6 doesn't really look like a 6. I can always zoom in so that I can draw a little bit better. And then I don't like how I drew that number, so I'm gonna erase, and I'm gonna do it again. 162. It's not that straight. Say I want it to be really straight. I want it to look so nice. I want to impress my teacher. I'm gonna click on text box, and then just click somewhere, and you can type 162. Now I want it to be over there where it says 162, where it says 4. I need to move it, right? So I'm gonna erase the original one. And then I could move, so select text, and select this, and click on the box, and I'm gonna move it right here. That looks really nice. Okay, awesome. Now say I wanna do a graph. Let's say for example, I wanna do a linear graph. I can do dots, but I don't like those dots, they're so small. I don't think my teacher can see it, right? Okay, so I can actually change the size of my line and my dots, be a little bit bolder so my teacher can see it. Then I can connect them like that. But that doesn't look that nice, right? I'm gonna erase it again. And can actually, okay, let me draw those dots again. Okay, I can actually click on shapes and make a line like that. It looks so much nicer. Okay. Now be careful. This only works with linear functions. Just a math tip. If it's a curve, don't use the line tool. Just draw it. If it looks like that, just draw it. Okay. There's two more things I want to show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back, select text. I can scroll it. Say I want to write an equation. There's actually an equation tool I can use here. So just click here. And then say I want to write y equals 4, and I want the multiplication. I could just click on pi. And I'm going to look for multiplication times. Okay, so let me scroll because I cannot see times. Okay, scroll. And I'm going to go back and edit this. 2, and I want an exponent. The exponent's a caret, so I click on the caret to the x. And there's my equation. There's a lot of mathematical symbols here that you can use. Again, if you can't find it, you can always draw it out. The last thing's really cool that I just learned. Say you don't know the meaning of a word. I don't know what apocalypse means. So you can click on dictionary and then highlight, and then it tells you what it means. That is really cool. So cool for other classes, even like word poems like these. Okay, once you're done, you could click turn in. I'm in the teacher, so it doesn't say turn in, but but for students, it says turn in on the top right, or you could just click turn in on classroom and your teacher will be able to see it. Okay, that's it. Bye. Thank you for listening.